Hello everyone. Let me give you another useful hint to improve your scooter ride. Now, when I first bought the scooter, the floorboard down here, um, as you can see, is plastic, right? And some of the scooter, the floorboard does have a plastic cover or rubber cover. They lay it down like all over, like across here. So it's for I guess it's help for non slipping, right? So, but my scooter doesn't have it, so you basically just get the plastic down here. So it's been a problem for me because every time I use it, even with my riding boot, when I did a stop or something like that, it's slip because this thing is just very smooth rubber or plastic, hard plastic. So this hard plastic, even you have a little bit of water in here, it's gonna be slippery. It's very slippery. So you don't feel that grip when you put your feet on it when you're riding, or even when you at a stop. So what I did is now this I did it when I first bought it, and that's like 2 years ago. So that's the problem I have. So what I did is I went online, do research, and I got this. I mean, at that time, so I bought the anti-slip grip tape. So this is 4-inch by 34 feet. So I got this for maybe $11. So you can get this anywhere else online, or maybe you can find at your local store. And what I did is after 2 years, some of them started, peel out, like this one. It did. See, it peeled out. All you need is pretty easy. You can just remove it. See, it's not gonna damage your floor or anything like that. All you need to do is cut another piece and put it in, and replace it like this one. It's kind of peeled out, so I just gonna take it out, and I'm gonna cut a new piece in and put it in. Now I'll show you a method how you can cut it to exactly, very close to the side. Like I did all this. So it looked pretty neat and nice and grip. So after I install this, I don't have a problem with the slippery anymore on this plastic floorboard. So what you do is remove this, of course. And let me find the point. Okay. Take out the wrapping, and then you get yourself a really nice piece. Alright, so like my piece over here, like this one, if I want to replace it, so this thing is probably like maybe inch or maybe 2 inch. So I might cut a piece about that side, maybe 2 inch about right here. Right. So all you do, you just cut it. So you cut it, right? So you got this piece right here, right here. So all you do is you want this shape right here. It's pretty easy. All all you need to do is you just press it down. Press it down so it make like a mole. I cannot do this with the camera. So I need to press it harder. I'm holding the camera now, so it's hard. So if you press it in mole, you see it in the back. So it become a mole. So basically, you just cut it based on that shape, that the mole that you just press it down. So for this one, I can see the mole right here. See that? So I'll just go and cut it exactly following that line. It's always good to use the little scissors, so it's easy to navigate to the cutting. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you know, just try your best, and as long as cover the area you want it, it should be good. Okay, so I got this. After I did the molds, how I get this? Put it in here. See that? Basically, just cover the whole thing. You can trim a little bit if you want to, but let's say right here, I want to trim this angle a little bit. On top is fine. Just down here, trim this angle a little bit because there is a screw hole right there. Yeah, so let's trim this angle a little bit. There you go. So everything looked really nice, fit in. Now just go ahead and clean this off. If you have a rubber or alcohol wipe, then just wipe it off so it's clean, nice, so it sticks better. And put it on. Let me go and get a chair. Put this on. Put the camera on the chair so I can do it. So it's a adhesive in the back. Adhesive in the back, so you just peel it out. See, you peel it out, and you just align it and put it down. Perfectly aligned, and then you just press it down. See how good it is? So the reason I got all this, I didn't get the full thing, is because when I bought it, I didn't have enough sheet, so I have to cut it into a small piece. And because this one is older, so you can see the color is kind of fading than the new one, but sooner or later this is gonna be exactly the same color as this one. Is gonna, because it's still new, so it look like that. So this has been like 2 years already, so it's kind of fade a little bit because of all your footprint in here, and because all the hot weather is fading in a way. So now I got this piece right here. I'm gonna do the same thing to this piece right here. So it's like this. So I can use you can because you never have it. So I have this one, so the old one, so I can trace probably exactly the same like this one and put it in. So I don't have to do that molding that I was showing you. But if you're new and you don't have you never done it before, then you need to do the molding to get the fit right exactly where it is. So basically you just follow the same thing like I showed you, and do your molding and cut it out, and just you know, tape it in, and you should be good. I'm just gonna do that right now. So that's it. I hope you find it useful, and it's excellent improvement on your scooter if you have the flat board that is made out of plastic, and you need grip on it. Alright, so I'll see you next time. Bye.